Ado anyoba yeni yone wanyu Bravo Kimangoto na guko twe Kikuyu Festival Season 3 yeni na twina the baddest DJ wa Gikuyu kuhana atia
kwega
ndo ikena muno
ndakena na introduction yo yaku
iyo muthiri ni twakuona guku Naivasha Savannah Park twenda kumenya niki gitumi kinene ureka guku
gitumi kinene gya guka guku ri tureka advert ya Kikuyu Fest Season 3.
Wow.
Niyo twaka gweka na ndateka muno. I'm representing agenda.
Nice. Euri andu ni marenda kumenya kana hindi ya 14 March kana wako wikuria Kikuyu Festival.
Yes, I'll be the DJ.
Wow.
So nitakuwa na set yangu ya that 1 hour 30 minutes. So already ako expect more. Expect surprise kwa set. See the normal thing. Yeah, just hapo. Grab your ticket. Usikose.
Itadadu ni kumenyete as the baddest DJ. I don't know how DJ Sony Echo maudu mothe magathi fantastic unaona atia na ni mugithi utatishe ugera kwira mafans
igimera thank you muno to everyone who supports me direct or indirectly gauga thank you muno support yenyu huwa naitambua na gauga thank you to the client especially Kikuyu Fest. This is my first fest by the way. And I feel so humble being the female kutuekana ni goko represent Nakuru County and the whole thing. I feel so good na gauga tere ungikoro we how we female DJs neturenda that opportunity give us chance what tuna deliver sana
ayo na adore matai na adu na magauka ku muone DJ Sony kuria no ri muthaka ni muthaka biu koguo ni mugoka mwiyo mukamuona live on air nekwera gogo live on air na this is Kikuyu Festival Season 3. This is your favorite better what ya favorite who
you are the host favorite host favorite DJ
favorite host Bravo Kimangoto ule mdedriest wagwa yo because